Hi friends, welcome to the Back Porch. I'm Lisa Spencer and this is my friend Lucy. This is Lila and this is Litzy, and they're ready for a good story. How about you? This is one that I've heard for years and years, and sometimes we sing it. Maybe you can sing a verse with me in just a few minutes. It's called It's Raining, It's Pouring by Ken Eagle and Rob Gilbert drew the pictures. One thing you'll notice as we go through this story, it tells a little bit about the seasons, so let's see if you know the seasons of the year. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much, one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin'. If he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. What did you think about that book? Did you hear about the different seasons? You want to sing it with me? Let's give this a try. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Did you sing along? Well, what seasons did you hear about in this book? Let's take a look as we flip through the pages. A little bit of fun here. Lots of green here, and we see it's raining at that point. Oh, he's sneezing. Sometimes we think of sneezing as being in the spring, but look at the colors here. That says fall, doesn't it? When the leaves start to change and he has on a jacket. Oh, definitely looks like fall in that picture. Let's see here. Uh-oh. That snow, what is that? Winter, right? And sometimes we eat a lot in the winter, so he popped the button on his shirt there. And then it starts to get warm again. Everything starts blooming. I think that's spring. And spring leads right into summer, and then we start all over again. So those seasons are what? Summer, fall, winter, and spring. That's a fun book. It's raining, it's pouring. Well, I think my girls liked it a lot. They found it very relaxing. Hope you enjoyed our book. Join us again right here on the Back Porch.